Let's do a bag haul. These are all from the app that shall not be named, so shh. All of these are really good, and we even have a pair of heels, so let's get started. Truly, I have to start with this bag because the quality of this one is insane. It is a lady bag with the butterflies all over. Like, look at the quality, and I mean all over, like all over. Cute summer bag, something you can wear to an event or a nice brunch or something, or a birthday bag or a birthday gift with a butterfly charm. So cute. It's just completely leather. You get a zipper pocket and a flap pocket, and it's real leather as well, so it's really good quality. This is also the perfect size for every day. Like, you can fit everything you need with an adjustable crossbody strap as well. I feel like before we move on, we're just gonna get the shoes out of the way because these shoes are to die for. They're a pair of Kitten heels, and they are monogram with these studs on them. I tried to find them. I don't think they actually exist, but these just give me like Y2K vintage energy, so I don't really care. They look cute with my outfit. I'm gonna wear it. Really great quality on these. I got a US 8, size 39 European, and they fit like a glove, and they're so comfortable because the heel is like in the center of your heel right there. Yeah, these are so cute and look so vintage. Like, I'm in love. Next is a bag from this brand, and you guys love the Kanban bag, so here's another one. This is like the mini little box bag, black with the white CC, pocket on the back. Love. Comes with the little zipper pull here. I just unboxed one in pink. Yeah, it comes with a crossbody strap, and then it's just red on the inside. You get a zipper pocket and a couple pockets on the other side. So this is such a cute little bag to just run around with. Super Y2K, can fit your daily essentials, your phone, wallet, keys, stuff like that. Next, we have a couple bags from this brand. They're both the same style, but they're just different material. This first one is a Denim Shoulder Bag. This is part of the new Denim collection. Ignore that it's wonky. I have to stuff it, and it was in the box all folded up, so you can imagine. But yeah, this one has silver hardware, and I love the denim. It's just so cute. Also looks super vintage. Pocket on the inside, and it's just like this canvas material. I'll show y'all how it looks, but I need to keep it stuffed. But yeah, you can fit a lot in here. It's more of like a small medium size. The next one is super cool. I can't believe they make this. It's the same style, but in the classic monogram with the stripe, but it's like coated in this waxy material. Super cool. Love it. I think it's really unique and different. I have it stuffed, so ignore how it's like wonky again, I know, but I think that's really cool. It does have like a monogram section here for your cards, but yeah, same thing with the other bag. Can just fit everything you need in the day and is really unique and different. Next bag is from this brand, and this is a Speedy. This is a newer design that came out, and I don't think it's completely accurate, but I'll show you anyway. The gold on this is actually pretty good, so I'm not mad at that, but it does have like this screen print of this like graphic on there with like money, cars. I thought it was really cool until I realized this is supposed to be like an actual patch, and this is supposed to be like an actual thing. So, you know, it's not perfect. I think if you want to get this bag, you're gonna need to do a master quality from one of my private sellers, but this is what you get from the app, okay? Inside again, the quality is not that good. It's just all wrinkly and baggy. So yeah, I don't know if I would say run and get this. Lastly, we have a couple wallets. This first one is a wallet on chain, and I'm obsessed with these, and I love the yellow. Worn crossbody or as a waist belt, which I think is such a cute accessory. Comes with this little CC charm, and when you open it, it just has a couple slots. It just has a main slot for like cashing cards, and then a mini one here. So yeah, you can just fit your cards. It doesn't work as an actual like wallet. Like, you can't fit lip gloss or anything in here, just cards, but obsessed with this yellow color for summer. But not least, this one is a classic flap wallet, black caviar, gold hardware, has a pocket in the back. This one comes with a zipper pocket and a compartment, so a coin pouch, which is cute. And I just love the look of these wallets. It's just such like a classic. You can never go wrong. They go with everything, and the size is so good to just throw in your purse. But yeah, I like the quality of this one. It's definitely real leather. Well, that was everything I had to show you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.